Student, this is Manish Kumar Gupta, your maths teacher. Today I am going to explain you exercise 1.1 question number 6. You can see question is written here. Subtract the sum of minus 5020 and 2320 from minus 709. So according to the question we will arrange the given number. So we will write here minus 709, subtract the number minus 5020 added 2320. Now going in working area, minus plus minus, so writing here number 5020 2320. We have to subtract the number, so 0 minus 0 will be 0, 2 minus 2 also 0, 10 minus 3 becomes 7 and 4 minus 2 it is 2. So simplifying these two numbers we will get 2700 and sign will be negative, okay, because this integer is greater. Remaining number will be as it is, like this way. What to do here? This number will come as it is and this symbol will break the given bracket. Minus minus become plus, 2700. So we can see that we have removed the bracket. Now again multiply the symbols, minus and plus become minus. So going in working area and subtract the number 2700 and 709, 2700 and 709. 10 minus 9 become 1, 9 minus 0 become 9, and here is 16 minus 7 it is 9, and here it is 1. So we can write here 1991. You can see the symbol will be positive because this integer 2700 is greater than this number. So in general way we do not use positive sign, okay, and writing the answer. Now moving to the question number 7. Reading the given question carefully. Subtract the sum of this number and this number, means minus 1250 and 1138, from the sum of 1136 and minus 1272. We have to subtract. First of all we will arrange the number according to the given question. So 1136 added minus 1272. We will use the bracket according to our need. Then we have to subtract the given number and minus 1250 added 1138. So we have arranged the given number like this way. Then we will solve this. How? Now first bracket will remove as it is, 1136 plus minus become minus 1272, okay. Now again we have to solve here. First bracket will be removed as it is, 1250 plus be multiplied by plus become plus 1138. So these integer brackets has been removed. Now see here, plus minus minus, so we have to subtract the numbers. So we will go in working area, 1272, 1272 and 1136. First of all we will subtract the number. 12 minus 6 it is 6, 6 minus 3 it is 3, 2 minus 1 it is 1, 1 minus 1 it is 0. So we will write here 136 and the symbol will be negative because negative integer is greater. This subtraction sign keeping here. Again simplify the given number. Minus plus become minus again. So write here 1250 1138. Now subtracting the number, 10 minus 8 it is 2, 4 minus 3 it is 1, 2 minus 1 it is 1 and 1 minus 1 it is 0. So 1 1 2. After simplifying, 1 1 2 is the number, and we will write here subtraction symbol because it is greater. Now first number we will write as it is, then minus minus become plus. Again we have to simplify the given number. Minus plus, again it is minus, so we will subtract the given number going in working area. 136 and 112. 6 minus 2 it is 4, 3 minus 1 it is 2, and 1 minus 1 it is 0. So we will write here 24, and since this integer is greater than this integer, so we will keep the negative sign, and here is the answer. Okay children, have a nice day.